Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Many people wonder if Zelle works with email addresses. The simple answer is yes, Zelle absolutely uses email. When you want to send money using Zelle, you typically use the recipient's email address or US mobile phone number as an identifier. This email address is how Zelle knows where to direct the funds. If the person you are sending money to is already enrolled with Zelle using that specific email address, the money will usually go directly into their linked bank account within minutes. It's a fast, direct bank-to-bank transfer. What happens if they aren't enrolled yet? If you send money to an email address not connected to an active Zelle account, the recipient will receive an email notification. This email will guide them through the process of enrolling with Zelle through their bank or the Zelle app. Once they complete their enrollment and link their bank account using that same email, the money will then be transferred to them. They usually have a set number of days to claim the funds before the transaction expires. So, email is a core part of how Zelle identifies recipients and facilitates these quick money transfers between different bank accounts. It's a convenient way to send money to friends and family.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.